I like Auroville because we don't make same mistakes like everywhere in the world. And for me, it's most precious and current rush to build high-tech roads or big buildings. I see it is not a mistake, but a repetition of or loops of this creating of same problem which all the world is facing. Last 5 years was a bit tough. Didn't feel like to be on any side. I actually was looking like, oh, what these guys are doing? Like, oh, we are not supposed to do like even things like that maybe. And oh, these guys, they were going to fight with these guys. Like, oh my God. So, okay, there was some fights. People was cleaning up the internals. When I finally realized that is not my fight, that is completely fine for me just to step out and see where it goes. It gave me necessary inner space and some inner peace. Yeah. Especially today, not clear financial stability, personal and as a community. Not clear policies, or policies which is not in alliance with Indian government policies and laws, like intellectual laws, copyrights, many other things. We agree as a community on certain things. Now people coming and saying, no, they're thinking we are better or something like that. You know, there is no clear communication. The deepest issue is no clear communication. What's going on, why it's going on, and where it's going to bring us. Hope is very interesting thing. Hope is, for me personally, is trust in divine. It's rooted there. It's a trust in the universe and deeper understanding somewhere inside, maybe even superficial layers will be not agree with that whatever happens now, it's happened for the better. We just don't see it now, we don't know how it will unfold, we don't know even why it's happened. So hope lies somewhere in that direction. For me, hope is, I think it can be different for different people. For some people it can be maybe a little bit superficial. Like, I hope the police didn't come to my house because I'm doing this and that, you know. I mean, there is many people from hope as an responsibility for what you are doing to biggest responsibility for what you are supposed to be or what you are supposed to become. Despite of the disagreement, we need to get out of disagreement. The Sri Aurobindo is writing much better about this than I could tell. Yeah. I would say like this. But what I like about Sri Aurobindo, he says, I mean, it's my understanding, everyone will understand him differently. There is no rush. There is no rush to be united, to be supramentalized. It's an evolutionary process. Like current situation for me, it's a lot of rush. Like we need to achieve immediately something for 50th anniversary, for 60th anniversary or whatever it is. But in fact, there is no rush. And I think what he says, the embodiment, the body transformation is the root of it. And I say, as I say, there is no communication. If someone doing this work here in Auroville, we're like, okay, I have this experience, but I will not share. So that is the thing. If it's people more sharing this kind of things, it will be more interesting. I think it's the best if they see Auroville as it is. It is, as I came here already 18 years ago, As it is, we did maybe 1% of what we're supposed to do, and we are still struggling on 1.3% now, maybe. But it's fun. It's a long way up, a long way forward. Yeah. I mean, everyone should see it from inside to outside. There is no common view. And maybe I should say the homogeneity of perception of the way how we can see the world, which given by religion or propaganda, it's not we are supposed to see in Auroville, or as we're supposed to see Auroville. Everyone should have your own experience. We are very far away. We are very far away. Sometimes I like Auroville because we don't make same mistakes like everywhere in the world. And for me it's most precious. And current rush to build high-tech roads or big buildings, I see it is not a mistake, but a repetition of or loops of this creating of same problem which all the world is facing. I think we can do same things on much better level. It would be fully sustainable green buildings. It can be a road built from natural materials, sustainable, restorable, whatever it is. It can be a million of things. We have really brilliant people around.